Summer 2020 has been a pretty good year for the elk population here in southern West Virginia. We've been able to verify about 15 new calves that have been added and reached the age at which we're seeing them. Elk hide their calves very well. They're a lot more protective than, say, a whitetail doe with her fawns. So it takes us some time over the course of the summer to exactly determine how many we have, and we will never know for sure exactly, because there's always a chance that there'll be one or two here or there. But we have a pretty good handle on how many this year, and we feel like we've had a good reproductive year, and we hope to sustain that. They only have one new calf per female. Twins are very, very rare in elk, so it's a slow process for us to gain elk. But if we continue to have summers like this, it'll be a slow growth, but it'll be a growth that I think we'll be happy with over time. This high location here at Tomblin is a very popular tourist spot for the tours that are normally being held at Chief Logan State Park Lodge in Logan County. Unfortunately, like so many other things that's been impacted by COVID, the tours have been put on hold for this year, and hopefully will return next year. But the tours were aimed at being here during the time of year when the bulls were rutting and bugling and very active. And people can still come. This is still this is a public wildlife management area, and wildlife viewing is a big part of that. People can come down and it'll involve a little more shoe leather on their part because they'll have to hike some to get in and get access. They're more than welcome to come down and get to the point where they can see some elk or hear an elk hopefully bugle here in the fall.